Hello and welcome to Party Paperteers. I have an exciting DIY project where I create a stunning American Girl dollhouse that folds for easy storage and play. In this video, I will show you steps to build this unique and functional dollhouse that your kids will love. It's perfect for AG dolls and any doll that's up to 18 inches tall. This foldable design is not only space-saving, but also adds an element of surprise to playtime. I will show you the materials needed, provide tips on construction, and showcase a finished product. Whether you are a seasoned crafter or a beginner, this DIY dollhouse is fun and a rewarding project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. Now let's get started. The materials that you'll need is cardboard, a box cutter, duct tape, double-sided tape, scissors, and decorative papers. You can also paint this with acrylic paints, spray paint, and you can use contact paper. The measurements for your cardboard is 31 inches tall, 24 inches wide, and 17 inches high on the right hand side. You're going to cut this out times 4. For the next step, you want to take 2 pieces of cardboard and butt them together on the 31-inch side, and then tape the seam with duct tape. And then you need to reinforce by adding another strip of tape to each side of the tape that's already on the seam, like shown in this diagram with the masking tape. This is what your piece is going to look like when you're done taping it. Now just repeat that same step, that taping step, with the next 2 pieces. After you complete that, fold each piece in half, but the 2 seams that's 31 inches next to each other, and tape those with the same 3 strips of duct tape. Flip it over, tape that seam with the same 3 strips. And lastly, using your duct tape, cover the edges of your project to smooth out any unsightly edges and also to create a moisture barrier. Now it's time to cover the walls of your dollhouse. So you can use your decorative paper, your peel and stick, vinyl, or you can paint it at this stage. And voila! This dollhouse not only looks amazing, but it folds up neatly, making it perfect for any playroom or bedroom. Many parents struggle to find creative storage solutions for their children's toys, especially large items like dollhouses that can take up a lot of space. But this dollhouse in the folded position is less than 1 inch thick, and it's lightweight and portable. This dollhouse design is very interactive. It can be used on the floor in a 4-foot diameter, or it can be used on the tabletop with a 2-room configuration, or just fold it flat and used as a backdrop for your doll scenes. Here's some pictures of our finished American Girl dollhouse that not only saves space but provides hours of imaginative play. If you enjoyed this DIY project, be sure to check out my other videos for more crafting fun. And don't forget to comment the parts that you like best and what would you like to see next.